Monologue. Booking a hotel room on the phone. Hello. I would like to book a room at your hotel, please. Do you have any rooms available for next weekend? I want to stay for 2 nights, from Friday to Sunday. I need 1 room for 2 people. A double bed is fine. How much is the room per night? Oh, that sounds good. Is breakfast included in the price? Great. Do you have free Wi-Fi in the rooms? Perfect. I would like to book the room, please. My name is Maria Santos, Maria, and my last name is Santos. I will pay with a credit card when I arrive. Is that okay? Thank you. See you next Friday. Monologue. Booking a ticket to Chicago on the phone. Hello. I would like to book a ticket to Chicago, please. I want to travel next Wednesday. Do you have any flights available? I need 1 ticket, please. It's just for me. What time does the flight leave? Oh, 10 a.m. is good. How long is the flight? 2 hours, that's fine. How much is the ticket? Is that price for a one-way ticket or a round trip? I need a round trip, please. I will come back on Sunday. Okay, I would like to book that ticket. My name is Ali Ahmed, Ali, and my last name is Ahmed. Can I pay now with my credit card? Thank you very much. See you next week.